下がってください。下がってください。すみません。下がってください。
Inside the train. Look where we are. Next to the locomotive. So happy. Look at this. The sun, the locomotive, and then there are some cranes here in the field. They are the cranes. So happy. And now let's get to see the train, how it looks inside. And the landscape is so beautiful. Look how I matched the train. And now this carriage is blue color. This, and it smells so nice. Here they are cooking ika. It smells like food. And there is even Wi-Fi inside the train. I have to find my team. I think it's the next carriage. Amazing to have this stove inside the train. Here is my team! See, the smoke of our train is creating these clouds. So it's really pretty. And the marshlands are extending in front of us, and then you can sometimes see cranes flying and other birds. And so the ride will take about 1 hour, and we will land at Kushiro City. Look how pretty this design inside is in the train with snowflakes and cranes and the deer. And we are going to try this beer. So pretty. And then beef jerky that you can eat here inside the train. Look at the stove. And here at Toro Station. However, in this angle it's not pretty. And we need more smoke. So this is Toro Station, where we have shot this morning. Nice pictures when it crossed the bridge. This is the cabin of the train conductor. It's really small. And here you can see the cranes and the deer all over. Konnichiwa. And the seats are facing here outside, so you can enjoy the landscape. So every car is different. And then storage like this if you want to drop your bag in there. And more storage here. And mirrors. And again a stove. Amazing, with a real fire. So let's see if our beers are still there.
お立ちのお客様は閉まりますドアにお気をつけください。
止まらないっていう話、手紙が来てた。鹿がいたよ。
鹿。 Shika is here. How pretty. Wow, thank you guys for the model to be model in our pictures. And then there is a coffee shop in the train, cash only. Look with the cranes. So pretty. And they also have a stove here for cooking something. So cool with this here, the pipe for the oven. So happy to be in the actual train. Here is the Kushiro River. And you can see these icicles that form on top of it. So pretty. And look at this, how pretty the lights on the train are. Even on the lights you can enjoy the tsuru and the shika, the deer and the crane.
手前のコンクリート製の水門は平成2年に完成した新岩木水門です。奥に見える古い木造の建物が旧岩木水門で、歴史を語りかけるよう静かな佇まいを見せております。旧岩木水門は昭和6年に設けられてから一度も水門が開かれておらず、開かずの水門。
So we arrived to Kushiro with the beautiful SL train. Here is the nameplate of the train, the number plate. Bye bye SL. See you sometime again. Sayonara. Sayonara. Such a successful trip to view the beautiful SL.